Hey there! In this video, you will learn how to contact our support and promptly handle your issues. You have the following options: use our help center, submit a support ticket, call us, or chat with us. To start, log into your account at my.compeak.com in any convenient way. In the main menu, click Help and Support. You can select any options depending on your needs. First of all, we recommend visiting our help center. There, you can browse articles and find answers to your questions. Now, we will show you several ways to interact with CommPeak's support. For this, you need to know your support PIN. You can find it in the bottom left corner of any page. Click on the eye icon and then remember or copy the 4 digits. Watch another guide about using the PIN. As soon as you know your PIN, go ahead with contacting the support team. If you want to ask a question, create a task, or report an incident or a problem, you can open a ticket. To start, click Open a Ticket in the menu. On the page that opens, enter the subject of your request, select the request type and the product or area. In the text box below, describe your issue and make sure to mention your PIN. After you have filled all the fields, add an attachment if it's relevant. Make sure your file is in one of the accepted formats. Finally, click Submit. Our support team will respond to you by email as soon as possible and will keep you updated. To track the status of your requests, go to My Tickets. Here you will find the list of your requests. You can filter them by status and view details and updates. Additionally, you can click Call Us, and on this page, you will see a few options. The first option is to request remote assistance. For this, download and run the relevant application, and then allow a CommPeak support specialist to enter your PC. The second option is to call us via phone. You can choose the global English-speaking or Russian-speaking support. Additionally, a WhatsApp chat is available for these numbers. You can also use Facebook or Telegram to contact us. For many countries, we offer local support numbers. For urgent requests, the live chat option is available to you. Click Chat in the bottom right corner of any page in your CommPeak account and start a conversation with a support manager. Please don't hesitate to contact CommPeak support. Our team is ready to assist you at any time. Happy communication and good luck!